What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall do a simple full body workout. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So with me here is Yvonne. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
Yvonne is a fitness enthusiast on IG, and she has a whole lot of beautiful things on fitness going on right there on her Instagram account. You can go check her out. So get your warm up done before this exercise and come back to this video. Let's get it done. Like I said earlier, it's a simple full body workout. So the first exercise shall be the boxer step with the jump rope, and I'm using a heavyweight jump rope here for my workout. So I'll hit it and let's begin. Make sure you are doing it nice and slow. If you don't know how to do the boxer skip, you can also use the basic bounce. We have great tutorials on the boxer skip, and I'll link it up here for you to go check out. Keep it going, guys, you're almost there. So we're trying to rev up our cardio. Yeah, so get some rest and head on to the next exercise, which will be the push-up. Make sure you maintain a good form to get the best result out of this workout. Wow, so that's 10 push-ups for you guys. We'll go for 15 seconds of rest, then we'll do the next exercise, which will be the scapular push-up. So we're almost there. If you're not feeling it right now, that means you're not doing it right, or you've gone beyond this fitness level. So let's be in the plank position. Let's go for it, guys. Wow, that was 10 scapular push-up, guys. So we'll go for 15 seconds rest, then we'll hit the next exercise. I hope you guys are enjoying this workout. Make sure you maintain the right form of these exercises. So the next exercise shall be the bicycles. Make sure you have your abs contracted and you're regulating your breathing. You're almost there, guys. Keep it up. Wow, that's lovely, guys. You're killing it. So get ready for the next workout, which will be plank. So go for 30 seconds plank. Don't hinge your ass out. Make sure your whole body is contracted. Contract your core muscles and feel the flow. Let's go for our 15 seconds rest, then go for the next workout, which will be the 4 lunges. So let's be in position. We'll begin with our right leg, 10 lunges on each leg, guys. Almost there, guys, for the second leg. We're almost there, guys. 10. Wow, you guys have done a great job. So we'll go for 15 seconds of rest, then we'll do the next exercise, which will be light glute bridges. So be in your lying position. 2, get your legs closer.
Lying glute bridge.
Then we'll go 10, guys. 1. Wow, that's lovely, guys. If you actually do this with the right form, you shall be seeing results in a very, very short time. So we'll be going for the next workout exercise, which will be kick out with the jump rope. So at this moment, you guys should be clapping for yourself because you've done a great job completing this workout. So if you like this workout, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section what is actually stressing you or what you think we should improve on. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do that, and make sure you turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.